Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will see the environmental setup for a React Native. So let's get into the class. So I hope you can see my Google Chrome, and here you can search React Native documentation. Click on React Native documentation, then you will get the symbol with React Native documentation, introduction to React Native, and click on this. Then you will get the page of introduction page of React Native. Then you will get all the core components and native components and all those things you will have. And here you can see the environmental setup, right? So just open this thing and you can have the set up your environment. Then you can click on it. Then you can click on it. Then then you'll be having the detailed information how to do it in Windows by using Android. We are targeting OS Android, and we are using in this video Windows. So based upon it, if you want to set up in Mac, then you have to click it. And if you want to set up in Linux, you have to click it Linux. So we are doing in Windows, so that's why I'm choosing Windows and I'm targeting OS Android. So the basic requirement. So I will tell you the basic requirements, what requirements is. The first one is Node. The first one is Node. And the second one is JDK, like you have to install Java development kit. So you have to install a Node and JDK. So how you have to install this Node and JDK? Like you have to just click on it, CMD, and right click on it. Don't open it, just right click on it, and you have seen this run as administrator, right? Just click on it and click on S. So here you have to copy this thing, this Choco install -y node.js -lds Microsoft -open JDK 17. So you have to just copy this thing and just copy here and click enter. Then you'll get installed both Node and OpenJDK 17. Like the Java and Node will be installed. Java and Node will be installed. So as I was installed the Node and JDK, so that's why I'm not doing it again. So you can do it, like you have to do it. So you have to just copy paste it, and you have to do just here. You have to copy paste and click enter. That's it. The all the details will be you will get, and the Node and the Java will be installed in your system. So I hope you understand. Just click enter right here. So after installing Node and OpenJDK, so you have to install the Android development kit. Android development kit. So for this, you have to click on the download option here. Just click on it. So it's taking time. So after clicking that link, you'll be getting this interface, and you can see, right, download Android Studio Jellyfish. Just to click on it, and you'll be having the download option here. You have to check this box and click on download here, and the download will be started. So I'm canceling it because I have downloaded this Android. Downloaded this Android. So after downloading the Android, so like after downloading the Android, you'll get the application, right? After you're getting the application. So after installing, when you open that Android file, it will ask to install. It will ask to install. For example, I'm having the downloads. Yeah. If I click on it, if you click S here, see you will get the something not like this, because I have installed the Android Studio setup here. So that's why it is asking to uninstall it. Then you have to freshly install it. But you will get here like this. You will get the Android Studio, and you have to just click on next, and you have to install the Android Studio. You have to install the Android Studio. That's simple. You will get the one pop-up here. You have to just click on install, and it will be installed. And don't touch anything, just you have to click next, and install. Then the Android Studio will be installed. So I'm just waiting this, and now I will open the Android Studio. So it's taking time. So when the app installed, then you will get this interface. The app will be installed, and you will be having two options here: SDK Manager and Virtual Device Manager. So here, the first thing what we have to do is, so see here, the first thing you have to check this Android SDK Platform 34 and Intel 86 Atom 64 system image. So first of all, you have to go to the SDK Manager. So I'm going to the SDK Manager, and you will be having the SDK platforms, right? We are having SDK platforms, SDK tools, and SDK update sites. So we are concerning with SDK platform and SDK tools. So in this, you have to get down, and here you can see, right? Android SDK platform 34 and Intel 86 underscore 64 Atom system image. You can see, right? Atom 64 image. So these two things you have to install. Like you have to just click on it. And after that you have to click on apply. So after clicking apply, the Android SDK platform 34 and Intel 86 underscore 64 Atom system image will be downloaded. Then you have to click on OK. And after that, so after installing this Android SDK platform 34 and Intel 8664 Atom system image, then you have to go to the SDK tools. So here you have to click this 34.0.0, and this thing also you have to install. So just click on apply. It will be installed, and click on OK. So this is the thing you have to do. You have to do. So these things will be completed. And third point is you have to go to the Windows panel. Windows control panel. So here you will be having user accounts, right? And you have to click again user accounts, and you will be having change my variable, change my environmental variable, and you have to click on new. So you have to, like, I have click on new. So in the variable name, I have written Android home here. See, you can see, right, my cursor. So in the variable name, I have written Android underscore home, and the variable value, I have written this path. So where will you get this path? Where will you get this path? You will get this path in the Android. So just you have to click on the SDK manager. See here, you can see, right, the path. Just you have to just like this, you have to copy, and you have to copy this thing, and you have to click on OK. That's it. Simple. So first of all, you have to write Android underscore home, and after that you have to go to the this Android Studio, and you'll get the path here. You have to copy this, and you have to just here you have to copy it, and you have to click OK. Then the environmental variable setup will be completed. Click on OK. So as I was set up the variable name and variable value, I have set up it in the environmental variable. So that's why I'm not doing again. So I hope you understand. So I'm just clicking on cancel. I'm clicking on cancel. Click on cancel. So after that, so we have created Android home and the and we have click on OK. And we click on OK. So, and after that, after doing all these things, so you have to just click on, just open the PowerShell. Just open the PowerShell, Windows PowerShell. And after opening this thing, you'll get the something like this Windows PowerShell. And you have to just copy this thing. Just copy this thing. And you have to just click, like you have to copy that thing and you have to paste it here. You have to paste it here. So after pasting it, you have to click enter. You have to click enter. That's it. So then the add platform tool should be like you have to check whether the Android home is added or not. For example, I will click enter here. See here, you can see, right? Android home, C column / user Achyut app data local Android SDK. So it is there. Why we are implementing this URL? Because we have to check whether Android home is inserted or not. So it is inserted. It's okay. And I'm closing it. And after that, so you have to open the, again, the Windows panel. So here you can see, right? You have to click on another change my environmental variable and you have to click on new. You have to click on new and you have to see, right? You will be having user accounts and the change of variables and you have to click on, path. See here, you'll be having path, right? Here you will be having, so you are having user variables and system variables. So in the user variables, you have to click like this and click on edit, So we have to click on new and you have to paste it. So what you have to paste it? So you have to paste it, this thing. Just click on this, it will be copied and it will be pasted like this. See, I have pasted this thing. So I have already pasted this thing. I hope you understand. I have already pasted this thing. So that's why I'm not doing it again. I will just click on cancel and I'll cancel it again. So after edit new and you will be add this thing and click on, you have to click on OK. So as I was install that part in that environmental variables. So that's why I'm clicking cancel. But you people, you have to click on new button and you have to add it and click on OK. So I hope you understand. So that's it, friends. The setup is completed. Setup is completed. Setup is completed. So after that, so we have done the required setup, right? You have to click on OK. And now, so you have to add some more environmental variables in your system environment. So you have to open the system properties and you will be having environmental variables and click on OK. So here, so we have installed the Java, right? We have installed the Java. So Java, we have to install that path here. So like we have to add that Java and like we have to add the Java path. We have to add the Java path. So where we have to get this Java path. So we will get it in file manager. We will get it in file manager. So just you have to click on the file manager and you have to go to the Windows and click on C and you'll be go to the program files and just here, give slash here, backslash and click on Microsoft. That's it, Microsoft. So you'll be having JDK, right? You will be having JDK 17.0.11.9 hotspot. So you have to click on it and click on pin. So you'll be having all the application extension files here. All the APIs files will be, you'll get here. So this path you want, So just you have to click on this path. You see here, we got the path, right? You have to just simply press on Control C, we'll get, and we'll go to the environmental variable and we have created, right? So when you click on new, you'll be get the the variable name. So what I have given the variable name, Java underscore home here, and the path, we know, right? We have copied that path, right? So we just pasted it and click on OK. Then it will be added here. And it will be added here. So this point is very important, friends. So if you don't add it, the React Native application will not work. So Java underscore home and the path is compulsory. Compulsory. If you miss this thing, you will get an error. You will get an error. So you have to write some variable name Java underscore home and you have to paste it and click on OK. So the same thing you have to do it in system also. See here we have created new here. We have written Java underscore home and we have to paste the hotspot. We have to paste the hotspot. Oh, one more thing. So the path should be up to hotspot only, should not go to bin. For example, I'm going to bin, right? So it is adding bin also, right? You can see, right? It's adding bin also. So you should not add bin. You have to go till until hotspot only, up to hotspot only. You should not go to the bin. You can see here. You will be having C program files, Microsoft JDK 17.0.11.9 hotspot. You will not having the bin, right? You're not having the bin. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. And after that, you have to add two more. You have to add two more in the path. So we have added the Java home, right? So in the path also we have to add the some more files. So just double click on the path. It will be open. It will be open. So here you have to add two more most important things. One is C C users Achyut app data local Android SDK and SDK platform tools. So these two are most important, and we have to add this emulator tools and tools bin also. But these two are more important. So you have to just take the screenshot here. Just take the screenshot here, and you have to add this thing. Add these things. So where you get all this path, I will show you, right? I will show you right now. So just cancel it. Just cancel it. So you have to go to the file manager. File manager. So you have to go to the program files and you have to go to the Windows C and you have to go to the users. So why I'm going to here? Like why I'm going to here? Because, for example, I'll show you why I'm going to here. See here, I'm opening the SDK manager. See here, you'll be having the SDK location, right? SDK location. So I'm going to that SDK location. See here, I'm going to the SDK location. So see users, I have clicked the users, right? So see here, you click to the users, and after that I have to go to the Achyut, and here I have to search for the app data, but you will not find any app data here. You will not find any app data here. It will be hidden. It will be hidden. So how can you get this? Just you have to click backslash and you have to write same app data here. App data. So when you click on it, it will be open. It will be open. So then you will find the local here. See here. I am going to the same path, right? I'm going to the same path. And I will go to the Android here. And you'll get the SDK. So see here, you'll get all the emulators, platform tools. So all these things will be, you will get all these things here. So to access emulator and platform tools, you have to copy this path and you have to add it in the, you have to add it in the environmental variable. Environmental variable. So I have closed it, right? So just have to open it. Like I have to copy this and I have to open the environment variable. So system environment, and here I have to click on the path. See, I got the, like you have to click on new, you'll get something like this. Just you have to copy paste it. Just you have to copy paste it. But I have already done it, so that's why I'm deleting it. So you can see, right? C colon, user such as app data, local, Android, SDK. So all these things will be, you have to just copy this path and you have to install in this. And after that, you have to just you have to copy the same path and you have to give slash backslash and you have to you have to type platform hyphen tools. And after that, you have to same path, right? Same path, you can see same path. So, but you have to include slash emulator, slash tools and slash tools slash pin. That's it. You have to include this five, this five, this five. So here my user is Achut, right? Here my user is Achut. Like in your system, your name will be there. That's it. The path will be same for everyone, but the user name will be different. But like you have to check in your system, what is your username? That's it. So you have to include all these things. Like you have to click on new and you have to install like you have to copy this path and you have to click on another new and you'll have to copy this path and you have to click on new and you have to copy this path and this path. And after that, the same things. After that, you have to click on OK. The same thing you have to you have to do it in system also. Like we are having user variables and system variables. So you can find the path in system variables also. So you have to click on path here. And here also the same thing you have to do. See here, we have installed SDK platform tools, emulator tools and tools slash bin. So here also you have to so here also you have to install the path of Java. You can see, right? Java. So in the path you have you have to give the path of the Java bin. Like you have to give until bin. You have to give until bin. This thing also very important. If you don't give it, it will not work. See here, we are in the Java home, we have given the hotspot up to hotspot only. But in the path, you have to give bin, until bin. This thing also very important. So that's it, friends. Click on OK. And here also you have to click on OK path. And here also you have to give up till bin. So in both user path and system path, you have to give until bin. But in the outside, when you variable creation, you have to give up to output only. So these two things, please careful, guys. So if you do it wrong, you will get an error. So I'll click on OK and click on OK. So the setup is completed. Now the setup is completed. Now we have to open the CMD. Now we have to open the CMD. Now I'll go to the CD desktop. Here I will create npx, create new project, React native init. I'm initializing init means initializing new project. The project name is uh, Altron project. Altron project. So click on OK. Click on OK. See here, it is downloading. It's downloading the templates and it will take some time. So after, like I will be back after installing this project. Now I will just pause it. Welcome back, friends. So we have created the new project in React Native. So you'll be having downloading templates, copying template, and processing template, and installing dependencies and installation Git repository. So all these things will be will be installed. Like it will be created, and you'll get the successful creation of React Native project. And so here you have to go to the project now. Here you have to go to the project directory, like change directory. CD, and the what is the project name? Ultron project, right? Ultron project. Project. Click on Ultron project. So what's the just copy this thing here. CD. So we have changed it directly to the Ultron project. So here I will run npx React Native run Android. Click on OK. See here, you can see here it is initializing. It is initializing. It is initializing. So you'll be having see, right? You can see the percentage. It's building up. So it is building up to 33%, and you'll get all the details here. You can see. So I think it will take some more time. It will take 40 seconds, 41 seconds. You can see, right? So I will be back after like after installing this app in the mobile phone, or otherwise we can stay here. It's going fast. We can stay here. So we'll be having a 58% and 69% and 71, 73%, 76%. I hope there will be no errors because we have followed the path correctly. So that's why we will not get any error. I hope. If we get any error, let's see. We will solve this error also. So we have it is built up to 97%, 3 more percentage. Yeah, our app got installed. It's building up. It's bundling up. It is bundling up. You can see, right, kids? It's bundling up. It's taking 60, 72%, 80%, 88%, 89, 91. So in 2 seconds, the app will be built. Just 2 seconds. I'll show you. Yeah, it's created. It's created. But you can't see, right? So that's why I have installed this visor. So what is this visor? So if you want to show your mobile on the system, you have to install this visor. Then you can show your mobile device on your system. Then click on view device. Then whatever you have to see, right? You can see my mobile phone. So the app got installed and you can see the page. So this is my mobile phone. This is my Android mobile phone. So in this, you have to just like before connecting to the PC, your mobile phone, Android device, you have to switch on the developer options. Like you have to switch on the developer options. So for example, see here, you can go to the settings. Like you have in my it is my lava phone, right? It is my lava phone. So you have to click on system here, and you can see the developer options, right? Developer options. So here you have to go down, and you can see, right, debugging, debugging. This setting should be on. This setting should be on. Then the app will be come in your mobile phone. The app will be come in your mobile phone. So I hope you understand how to set up the React Native. Like you have got the environment set up in React Native. I hope you got it. And if you have any doubts, please comment in the chat. I will help you out. And one more time, I'm saying, so before connecting your phone to the system, you have to on the USB developer options, USB developer options and USB debugging options. You have to, or on the USB developer option, and after that you have to on the USB debugging option. Then only the app will be shown in your mobile phone, or otherwise this project will not be shown in your mobile phone. So I hope you got it how to set up React Native project. So if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.